Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do reverse smoky eyes. Reverse, it means instead of doing it on the upper lid, we're going to do it on the lower lid. This is what the makeup looks like. If you want to know how to do it, please watch this video. Hello you guys, welcome back. So the first thing we're going to do is to apply my foundation. I'm gonna pin my hair and we're going to use Inglot foundation in a shade 21, and we're going to use the sponge. I think this sponge is from Primark, I'm not sure. I'm going to gently apply it with my sponge. And then the second product we're going to use is Affinitone concealer from Maybelline. I am not sure if you can buy it in UK in a drugstore, but I'm sure you can buy it on eBay. And I bought mine in Poland when I was there because Affinitone, because it's a line that is not available in UK. And to do so, I'm gonna use the smaller sponge, and this one is from the from Brushworks. Actually, to cover my spots, I'm going to use Fenty Beauty stick. It's called Matchsticks in a color linen. Sorry, you can't see because the ring light is reflecting on it, but oh, there we go. That's it. And I'm going to use the same small sponge. Now I'm going to apply Fenty Beauty Matchsticks in a color Amber, and it's going to be contour sticks to give myself a contour. There we go. And we're going to use the same sponge. So that's my contour. Now we're going to use a powder from Kiko. Sorry, it's a metallic package, so it reflects back on you. But the name of this powder is Radiant Fusion Baked Powder in the shade 01. And we're going to use a powder brush. There we go. So my face is now ready. To do that look, we're going to eye kohl. And to do that look, eye kohl or eye pencil. And to do that look, you need to use a pencil that is very soft and like very sort of wet, because you want it to be very opaque but very soft so you can smudge it. I do have some pencils that are very hard to smudge, and when you try to smudge it, you need to do it so hard that they actually disappear, so there's no point. But I've got this one from Tarte, and it's called Kitten, and it's that sort of pencil. Okay guys, so to do that look, we're going to apply an pencil on my waterline. And I'm going to apply a little bit outside the waterline in here. A little bit. And then we're gonna smudge it with a brush. Gonna add some more in here. So this is one eye. I'm gonna do the other eye, and again we're gonna start with the waterline. I'm gonna gradually put a little bit in here. I'm gonna smudge it. I would always say start with less and then add some more. I'm gonna add some more. A little bit more on this corner. A little bit more towards the middle. Okay, so I think I'm gonna leave the line now. I'm gonna do the upper lid now, and the eyeshadow that I'm going to apply is again from Tartelette, and I'm going to apply this one. I think this one. I'm going to use, and I'm going to apply it in my crease. I'm gonna do the other eye now. Now I'm gonna do the eyelashes. And I'm curling them with eye curler that's called Shuemura. Yeah, Shuemura. And I'm going to, for my eyelashes, I'm going to use mascara from Fenty Beauty. Okay, now I'm going to apply an eyeshadow on this eyelid, on this part of my eyelid. It's going to be something shiny. Maybe this one. I'm going to apply this one. Let me just do this around. Yeah. Just delicately, and I'm going to get rid of an excess because I don't want it to end up on my eyelashes that I've worked so hard on. I'm gonna apply it from the top so I won't ruin my eyelashes. And a highlighter that I'm going to use is Fenty Beauty, and I'm going to use the stronger one. It's the Kilowatt, and I'm going to use this one. Oh yes. Oh my god, I love this highlighter so much. I'm gonna do the eyebrows now, guys. And to do my eyebrows, I'm gonna use Anastasia Beverly Hills. Look, I've got literally that little bit left. Deep brow pomade in soft brown. I know eyebrows are not twins, but mine are not even fucking cousins. And to contour, I'm gonna use a shade and light from Kat Von D, and I'm gonna mix those two shades. As you can tell, I've been using them all the time. So and then I'm going to do a highlighter. I'm gonna use the same one, Kilowatts. So for the highlight, I'm going to use Kilowatt again, and I'm gonna use this one in here. I'm gonna use so this one is the one that I've used on my eyes, and this one is the one that I'm gonna use on my face, the lighter one. No, fuck it. Let's use this one. Love it. And the brush that I'm using is, I think, from Primark, the fun brush. Yeah, from Primark. Okay guys, so that's the highlighter. I'm gonna just let my hair down a little bit. Okay guys, so let's do lips now. And my favorite mix for the lips is NYX Lingerie Teddy in the color Teddy, and Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Crash. And what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna apply NYX Lingerie first. I'm gonna highlight Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna do this. Maybe I will add a little bit of lip gloss in the middle of my lips. And the lip gloss that I've just used is Sexy Mother Pucker from Soap and Glory in a shade Bare Enough. I actually decided that I think I'm gonna add some fake eyelashes just in the very corner. So this is the final look, final, and I feel like it looks so good with the fake eyelashes. But the way that I've done my eyelashes this time is I've cut the half of them. So I don't have the eyelashes on, or like the full strip of eyelashes. I only have like the end bits, like the half of them. So it makes that sort of foxy eyes effect. This is what it looks like. Okay you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button next to it if you want to keep up with what's going on my channel. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.